Hey guys, welcome back. This week we were going to show you flooring in the trailer, but definitely stuff is starting to go sideways and we are nowhere near ready for flooring. We did send out a quick little video kind of showing our mishap with the countertops last week. We have found a new countertop transformation kit, which we attempted to do. We absolutely love the color. The only problem is with the top coat, it actually left these little fuzzies everywhere. And I mean everywhere, all over the nightstands, all over the dinette, the bathroom counter, the kitchen counter. So although we love the color, we definitely need to come up with an additional plan on how to smooth this out.
So last week we talked about the wallpaper and the choice that we made in the design element, but I wanted to touch on today some of the good things and the bad things we found while doing the wallpaper. This one we chose was a peel and stick wallpaper, and it's a good product for trailers because it is relatively inexpensive. However, we did find that once you put it on the wall, it was hard to adjust it if you needed to. What we would suggest using is actually a pre-pasted wallpaper. It's easier to maneuver, and with trailers not being 100% square, you have a little bit of movability with the wallpaper. So we did have some questions about what type of paint we were using for the cabinets, and we did use the Seco furniture and cabinet paints. It's a melamine finish paint, which means it goes on a little bit thicker than a wall paint. Because we chose a deep jewel tone blue, it did require the full 3 coats of paint.
Now don't be afraid though that when you are painting of not having a completely clean edge right here. You're going to try as hard as you can, obviously with the painter's tape, but what we're going to do is we're going to come in afterwards with a nice bead of caulking and clean up all that edging. So don't stress too much about the finish between the 2 colors. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Hopefully next week's video is actually going to have some flooring that we've promised and a resolution to what we've done here with the countertop.
We are hoping to do a Q&A near the end of this project, so if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and we'll try and answer them for you.
Till next time. Hey guys, welcome back. This week we were going to be showing you flooring. Sorry. Oh, good. Got some fuzzies in our eyes.
Okay.
Try it again. Hold on.
Do a little dance.
Better not be a blooper. That one is not blooper approved.